Hello everybody, it's me Keshav Raj Pandey. Right now I am speaking from one of the beautiful villages of Darchula district, which is my workplace. I have been working here for many years. So right now I am sitting on the rooftop of my rented house, and at the same time I am passing my time sitting on the rooftop and enjoying the sunlight. The sun feels so refreshing and relaxing. So after having my lunch, I have come to this place as usual to show you the beautiful and amazing sights of my surrounding. I have been showing you many such beautiful sights of my village for many months and years. So today too, with the same purpose, I have come here. First of all, you can see just in front of me the beautiful and amazing tree. This is called wood apple tree. The fruits are on large scale this year, but uh, still they are unripe. And once when they ripe, they will be delicious and juicy. On my left side you can see a small banana orchard. Although the bananas are not available in this season, in the hot season these banana trees bears a lot of bananas. So on my left side here you can see the beautiful sights, the beautiful landscape that is really amazing, fantastic, wonderful and worth visiting. So I enjoy my every moment here in this place. The place is really so beautiful and interesting. Thanks for watching my video. Next time I will come up with next video from next place. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Good luck.